about. So we just need to be very careful here. And I think we've just got another wicket.
Yes, it's up in the air and has been taken. Another wicket there for Shahid Afridi. Hasaranga goes, and that's another.
Hold few slower delivery. Gone. Just when I was mentioning it's a not to throw your wicket away, he chipped one straight into the hands that long off. Another wicket goes. Another
comes out to bat with this team in dire straits. Shahid Afridi is an impact player. Middle order. He was made to open the innings tonight. Have a look. Wicket number 4.